Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kikiwa with Byram House. Of course, I'm back again with another crochet video or video on a crochet hairstyle. My last crochet that I did with the wavy goddess locks by Free I really like that that hair, crochet hair, but it was itching a lot, so I had to take it down, sooner than I wanted to. So for a couple of days, I've just been wearing it in braids. I had my cornrow and then just wear a wig, but I'm getting ready to go back to work, and wearing a wig for 12-13 hours is not fun at all. Okay, so man, it's tough for me to wear a wig for 12-13 hours. I'm sure there are people out there who do that, but I can't. So I'm like, no, we need to get our hair done because we're back to work full time. Wearing that wig for 12-13 hours will not be it. I can't do it. So I went back to, I went to buy some hair. And where I went to, the beauty supply ended up at has very limited, crochet hair choices. So I came back home with Passion Twist again. Which of course I think it's a little bit, overdone now, but I'd rather just do something that I like, okay? And mind you, this is days later. I know you guys see me with my Chaque Jour outfit. This is the little overall dress that you just throw on and, stay when you're around the house, when you're at home, and don't want to dress up, want to do nothing. So my little Chaque Jour is on. But again, this is, Passion Twist is by Afri Napturals. The Afri Naptural, there it is. Afri Natural. Okay, now they have another name. That's the brand. Okay, now they have another name for it. They call it the Grand Nomadic Twist instead of, and then up here they say Get the Look Passion Twist. So this is supposed to be Passion Twist. I don't know what this other extra name is for. Okay, so but I got it in the color 1B27, and I got 1B as well. So I'm going to either mix or do one section, 1B, and do the other section 1B20. I don't know. We'll see what I decide to do. Now, as for my cornrows, of course, just to limit time, I didn't do my cornrows on camera for y'all to see, but I did 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth cornrow, of course, I split it in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one made into a fork, and then there you go. And then this side 1, 2. The third one I made into a fork as well, and then the fourth one I made into a fork, because I mostly wear my hair to the left side, exposed on the right. Okay, I kind of like padding on the right here with more of the hair to the left. I just think I look better that way. I could be wrong, whatever, but maybe next time I'll try the left. But even if I do the left, hardly do I ever do the left, so I kind of just prefer this side. So I did 2 of that, so I can pat it here, here, or here. Okay, that gives me options, and I can pat this here, and maybe not so much here because this is too wide. But yeah, that's it. The same cornrow pattern all the way to the back, nothing too much. Maybe next time we'll try a different, braid pattern, especially those single braid one, where for people who don't know how to braid cornrow, that will be the topic for another day. So I'm going to start doing my hair, and I'm going to be right back to show you all what it looks like. Okay, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Join this family. Okay guys, so this is how far I have gone with my hair. Of course I did this 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, but this third one is not even done, because remember I kind of made a fork out of it, split it, and we have 2 cornrows here in the front, and then we join it and make 1. So this is not completed, and this is 2 packs already. Okay, so there is 2 bundles in each pack, and there is 12 twists in each bundle. Okay, so this is I came back to show you guys how far I've gone with this hair. This is how far I've gone, and I wanted to show you on this particular cornrow what I'm doing. Of course I show you guys every time I'm doing my crochet, or how I on camera, whatever. Okay, I don't even know what I'm saying, but okay. But because this cornrow right here is very big and there's like a huge space here, so what I'm doing is I'm adding the braids on like the side. So I'm not going under like so completely like I normally would do when I do like the smaller cornrows. I'm having to so what I'm doing is I like insert the pin like so. See that? Like through the cornrow. I do that. And of course I'm sure you guys already know how to do this. You've probably seen it time and time again. I insert the cornrow like so. So it can fall on each side because you have to cover each side, you know what I mean? And then I come under here and I go in here like so through the cornrow. And I insert that like so. So I kind of just go in and out, sometimes at the top, sometimes from the bottom. I'll insert it, and I'll keep doing that so as to cover like this big old space. When you have a big old space like that, you cannot just go from under. You have to kind of like go like in the middle or in between, you know, like the cornrow. You know what I mean? Do you guys even understand what I'm saying? I hope so. I hope you get it. You see what I'm doing here? So this is what I'm doing so as to make sure that it falls on its side to cover that big old space, so we don't have all that, you know, empty space there that looks like it's not covered. You know what I mean? So I'm going to keep doing that, and I will be right back. And I'm doing this for this side because really this is not the side I'm going to be padding. I'm going to be padding on this side. Okay guys, I ran out of hair again. Not again, but you know what I mean. Like I ran out of hair. There's no more hair. I am so bummed. I'm like so not happy. Every time I have to buy extra hair or an extra pack of hair, I really, really, really hate it. Because this I think cost me about $67 or $60 something for 4 packs. Because $14.99. Hold on, let me show you this spot before you think I'm lying. Look at this. 14. Yeah. $14.99. You know what I mean? That's a lot. That is a lot. You know? That is a lot. $14.99 per pack. I bought 4 packs. So it was about, the tax is 60 something. So now I have to go buy an extra pack. So it probably cost me $70 to $80 just to get this hairstyle. You know I'm cheap. Y'all know I'm cheap. So of course I'm not excited. I'm not happy that I have to go buy an extra pack. But it might be worth it. Looking at this style coming together, it just might be worth it. It just might be worth it. Keep watching. Let's see what happens. So we'll have to go buy this extra pack in the morning because it's nighttime now, and then we'll finish it and then we'll give you the final look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so it's the next day. Of course you can tell outfit is different. I bought an extra pack of hair. Of course the 1B 27 is gone, which is what I really wanted. So thank God I had, you know, started mixing it with 1B, and so I bought it 1B. Okay, thank God they had 1B. I thought it was like done, but they had 1B, and this is it. This is what it looks like. And again, it's the Grand Nomadic Twist by Afri Natural or Afri Naptural, 18 inches, and it says Passion Twist on here. So of course I'm going to install the black here and then at the back, okay? And I'm going to take some of the 1B27 that I have down here and fill up this one, and then I'm going to come back and show you what the final look looks like. So hey guys, so I am done installing this crochet and I want to show you guys what it looks like. This is the length, it's all the way down here. It's 18 inches by the way, and then I'm gonna spin around so y'all can see the back. Okay, now I feel like there are holes in my head. Okay, I feel like it. I don't know, but I do feel like it. And then if what I could have done differently with this crochet is just not do four cornrows like I did. Even though I split it, I would do 5. Okay, I would do 5 and split 2 of the 5. Okay, just so you don't have that big old hole. Like here has a big old hole that I'm just like now, you know what I mean, like right here it's just really, yeah, I might add some more hair. I have some extra hair hanging somewhere. I might add some more hair there, but I think I would prefer to wear it this way. I just realized that I kind of prefer this pat instead, which is weird, but because that's not the pat that I was going to use most of the time, but I'm getting to realize that I like this pat instead. Know what I mean? Like so. Of course I don't have it completely or well arranged now, but when I do, I think it's going to look great. You know what I mean? Or I'm just going to wear it like so most of the time. To the side. Of course I'm going to take my time to put it together, you know, before I of course wear it and go out. I'm gonna wear it like so, and then probably use a scrunchie and kind of hold it, you know, here, and get my face done and put my little jewelry and look out for y'all. Well, not for y'all because y'all will see me, but you know what I mean. Again, this is the Passion Twist by Afri Napturals, and they call it the Grand Nomadic Twist. That's what they call it. I really like the hair. It would do for my Christmas hair. Yeah, is it my favorite install? No, because of course most of my installs have not been on YouTube. Most of my installs were, I've been doing my hair for many years. You guys already know that. Way too many years. So of course I've not brought some of the best styles that I have done, you know, to YouTube. And honey, you need to subscribe to this channel, join this family, so when I start putting up some of my different styles, y'all can see, you'll be here to witness it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.